Fascinating facts about butterflies, nature's colorful marvels. Butterflies undergo a remarkable metamorphosis, transforming from caterpillars to beautiful winged adults. Their life cycle includes 4 stages: egg, larva, pupa, and adult, showcasing nature's magic. Feeding primarily on nectar, butterflies play a crucial role in pollination for various plants. With over 20,000 species, butterflies exhibit astonishing colors and patterns unique to each type. Butterflies contribute to ecosystems by serving as indicators of environmental health and biodiversity. Subscribe for more amazing nature facts.